Games can take anywhere from days to weeks to even years to make. And most of these games turn out extremely well, with some topping the Roblox game list and getting millions and billions of visits. But what would a game look like if it was made in under an hour? I mean, most developers think of an idea in a few days and then spend an hour designing the first of many drafts of the lobby or even an icon, let alone make an entire game. So to put this question to the test, I decided to hop onto Roblox Studio and see if I could actually make a game in just 1 hour. Okay, so starting now, we have 1 hour to make a Roblox game. So I think the first thing we're going to do, maybe make the map. I'm going to go for a Lava is Rising kind of game, like a fairly big map, maybe 40 by 40 for now. And then lava is basically just going to rise, and then you've got to do loads of parkour to get to the top. And then that is just going to grow and grow and grow. And then we've basically just got to have a script in here, which is for like the round system. But if for now we just do while wait, let's do that and let's just see what happens. And as you can see, the lava is very slowly rising, and yes, it is a bit buggy and a bit glitchy. It's a general idea. So if we stop this and then let's try to make it a bit smoother. So, and there we go, it is very smoothly rising up, and as you can see, when we jump on it, nothing happens. So let's fix that. We're going to add a script inside the lava part. So if you touch the lava part, you are basically just dead. And maybe even it's not an instant death, but it's like you get rid of 10 points, and then you've just got to be really quick if you're about to die. So let's try that now. So we're standing here and then suddenly, oh my gosh, it's killed us. Perfect, that's exactly what it needs to do. So if we place the lava part actually below, or maybe instead of increasing the size of it, we could instead just raise it. Maybe we have the base, which is what everyone will start on, above here like that. We duplicate the base and then a bit higher like this. So now when we load in, we should see the lava starting to rise, and you can ever so slightly see it. I think if we actually select the lava, you can see it a bit better. You can see the position is rising, and you can actually see it's getting closer to the platform. So I'm actually going to start working on one of the maps. Okay, so that is the first map finished. I'm just going to try it out and see what it's like. Once we've done this, we just have to code. Oh my days. Once we do this, we just need to add the whole coding system. This is going to rotate like that. This should also hopefully kill me. Okay, well that's not good. Okay, so I need to somehow make that without... And as you can see, the lava is rising beneath us. I'll probably have it go a bit faster or start a bit higher. I just need to be able to make this jump. Oh my, okay, that's actually quite difficult. Okay, so now, oh my. Once we do this, we just need to code a round system so that the game can obviously start and stop. And once you actually complete a round, it should teleport you back to the base, and we're just going to see if that works. No, okay. It's because we're not getting the position of it. That's why we need to get the position of the spawn location, and then that should work. So if we actually just maybe teleport, like start up here if we can, then I fall on there, boom. Okay, right, we've instantly been teleported back, which is perfect. I'm just going to name this map 1, and then I'm also going to add a script into service, which we're going to have as the leaderboard, or the leader stats, should we say. So once a player enters the game, we can do function player. We are going to create leader stats like this, and then instead of kills like AI is suggesting, we're going to do wins. And then basically every time you complete a lava rising course, you get a win. And then we're also just going to set a value to 0. You start with 0 wins, of course. And then once you get a win, your wins go up, obviously. Game.players, get player from character, hit.parent, and then just add a win. And then we can just do wait 1 second, and then cooldown equals false. Boom. We shouldn't bug out. So if we just try that. Okay, so we're jumping across here. I might have that spin faster. That could be kind of interesting. And then we just got to make it up here. Oh, that was close. Okay. Okay, and boom, we've got 1 win. Perfect. Okay, now it's time to do the round system. So if we do round system like that, what we're going to do as well, so once it starts, we're going to do a round system. So local round. So if the round has started, then the round time dot value is going to be going up by 1. We're also going to do round time equals to 0, and of course players left is equal to every player in the server. And then this will be the game spawn. And so spawning in, we're just going to basically see what happens. It says round time is 1, players left is 0. Oh, okay, we're inside the game. Round time is going up, which is perfect, and players left is 1. Game started is false, so we're just going to make sure that that gets set true next time. We're going to allow this to go to 100 and see what happens. And here we go, 97, 98, 99, and 100. Okay, perfect. We are back into thing. It's still 100 now, but the game is not started and players left is 0. So we're going to see what happens after 10 seconds. It should reset, and it's not looking like it is. If not, we do have a bug. Yep. Okay, so if we go into the round system, it's working pretty well. We do of course just want maybe something telling you when the round is going to start. Oh, it's because, okay, so we need to make sure that it's dot value equals true as well, not just equals true. And we're also just going to make sure that this actually goes up and starts chasing the players. So for here, I'm actually just going to move this to a different script. So if we just get rid of this and then we add it to a lava system script, every 0.1 second we also just check if game.replicate_storage.game_started the value is true, and then we can do this. So we're just going to make a quick GUI. If we just do a menu GUI just to basically get the majority of what we need. If we do that, then all we've got to do is do round starts in, and then basically just have that as default 0, and then the round time 100 seconds, and we're going to basically do the opposite. So it will count down and not count up, which we can just do by changing that. And then we're just going to do an else here, and then we're just going to see how that works. I'm obviously just going to make sure this properly shows the current situation. Okay, so it says round starts in 10 seconds. Okay, wait, 9, 8, 7. Okay, this might work. We will see what happens. 4, 3, 2, 1, and okay. Okay, so this is the issue. So what happens? The game is not started. No players. Round starts in 9 seconds. Ah, it's because this goes below 0. So round time is the issue. So if round time, which is this, is lower than equal to 0, if the round has started, then we need to basically lower it, which is fine. That's as it should be. Then we need to stop the round started. Oh wait, it does stop. Ah, okay. So round time here needs to equal to 100, not 0. Let's go to here. Instead of waiting for 5 seconds, we'll wait 2 seconds, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so it's going to start counting down. We do only have 4 minutes left, so we need to be really quick. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's going to put us in a game. Boom, yes, okay. Okay, so it's going to constantly put us in a game, which is an issue. So game started correct, 1 player left, round starts in 0, which is perfect. And then, so this is going to be an issue, that's fine. So if it equals to 0, then we'll do round starts in dot value and just set it to 10, and then maybe that might fix it. 8, 7, 6, 2, and then 1, and we should be about to join now. And then it does things straight away go up to round starts in, which is not very good. And I'm not really sure what happens into 1. We get teleported here. Okay, that's not good. Oh, it's because it's here. So if it equals to 0, so what we really need to do is equal it to -1. If it equals to 0 and round dot starts in dot value is not equal or not equal to -1, then we do it. Else if round starts bigger than 0, and then we do this. We do have less than 2 minutes to complete this, to just fix this code, and then I think the game is basically finished. 2, 1, let's see what happens. Okay, boom. Okay, we've got 99 seconds. Okay, that's good. But in order to test this properly, we need to see the entire thing, and we're not going to have that time. So if we just set this to 20 seconds. Okay, we have just over a minute now. This is getting extremely close. Okay, so we're starting, the lava is starting to rise, so we have to be quick about this. We have to make sure that we hopefully don't fall, because if we do, it's going to be the end of the game. The game does end in 10 seconds, so I'm going to have to be really, really speedy. 4, 3, okay. I also want to be able to just duplicate this and make a money and make a wins GUI, which we're just going to basically put down here for the wins. Basically change this to the amount of wins you have, like that. Win 0, and then okay, time is actually up, so I'm going to get rid of that. And now the time's up. It is time. Let me just make sure that you can actually see it says time is up. There we go. Okay, so that is time, but we are going to test this game and we're going to see if it works. Okay, so we're going to be giving this a proper go now, a proper test. We're going to see if we can be able to beat it or not. We are so close to the ending now. I've just got to not mess up on any of these jumps. Get to here and then boom. Okay. We've actually got a win, which is amazing. And I think the game actually works. If you want to play this game, I will of course link it in the description. Feel free to check it out. It is obviously a very rushed game. I only had an hour. Most developers have, well, at least months. This was actually a really fun challenge. If you want to see me do another game and you have an idea for a game that you want me to make in an hour, then please let me know and I'm more than happy to do it. If you want me to improve on this game, then let me know and I'm more than happy to make a second video on this, basically just making this into an actual working game with a data saving system and cosmetics and multiple maps, all of the above. Just comment what you want to see next, and thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.